Checking your account balance on BB&T is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the BB&T website. Open your web browser and go to the official BB&T website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the login button to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account overview. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to the detailed view of that account. Step 5. View your balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the account details page. Review the information to ensure it is accurate. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever needed.